channel. It's finally summer and it's the perfect time for potlucks, and this recipe is potluck perfect. Today we're going to be making meatball hummus. I've done a version of chicken shawarma hummus before. This one is chicken that has been ground up and made into little balls, and it's served over a delicious red pepper hummus. Before I go any further with this recipe, do make sure you subscribe to my channel and ring the bell to be notified every time I upload a new video. Now, let's get cooking. I'm going to start with the chicken. I have one chicken breast here, and this is roughly 1 pound. I'm going to mince half of this in my food processor, and I'm going to finely cut the other half by hand. Of course, you can just use ground chicken or even turkey, but I am mincing this so that I have a little bit of texture in my meatball. Add salt to taste. 1 tablespoon of fresh white pepper. 1 tablespoon of Aleppo peppers. If you can't find Aleppo peppers, you can substitute chili powder or even hot paprika. Next, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of shawarma spice. 2 cups of finely minced onion, and a 1/4 cup of minced parsley. Mix this well together, and I'm just going to fry a small amount to taste for salt and seasoning. If you're happy with this, start forming these into meatballs using oiled hands. You can also use an ice cream scoop to measure if you like. I'm going to deep fry these today, but you can also use your oven or the air fryer as I did with my Korean meatball video. I will leave the link to that at the end of this video and in the description. Any fried onion bits in the oil I'm going to remove as well, as it's going to add additional flavor to my hummus. Once the meatballs are cooked on all sides, I'm going to remove them and keep them aside. Repeat this process till all the meatballs are cooked. Here's a make-ahead tip. You can semi-cook these and just finish cooking them in the oven just before you need to serve them. To make the hummus, I'm going to add the juice of a lemon to my food processor. I'm also going to add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Next, I'm going to add a can of drained chickpeas or garbanzo beans. This is a 540 ml can. I'm going to reserve some of these chickpeas just to garnish later. Next, I'm going to add 3 cloves of garlic that I roasted. I'm also going to add 2 roasted peppers. These are roasted peppers that come in a brine. The key ingredient in a great hummus is tahini, and I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of tahini. This is a sesame paste. Add salt to taste and a splash of hot sauce, and let's start to process this. Taste it for salt and add more salt if required. And a splash of hot sauce. I'm also going to add some more olive oil, just another tablespoon, and another roasted red pepper to give it that beautiful red color. Give it another taste, and this is ready to go. Thank you so much for joining me in Cravings with Adventures. I hope you enjoyed this delicious recipe for meatball hummus. You can serve it at your party or you can take it to a potluck. Either way, everyone is going to love it. Serve it with some pita bread, and everyone's just going to take a little meatball together with the hummus and they're going to enjoy it. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, guys. Do share my channel as well as my videos with your family and friends so they can enjoy all of these amazing recipes as well. And don't forget to ring the bell because you will be notified every time I upload a new video. And be sure to follow me behind the scenes on all my social channels. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. Until I see you next time, do take care. Bye.